Losing your garage door opener remote creates an immediate security vulnerability. Taking quick action is essential to protect your home from unauthorized access. Step 1. Immediately check for any backup remotes you may have stored in your home, car, or with family members. Many homeowners keep spare remotes but forget about them during stressful situations. Step 2. Learn how to manually operate your garage door using the emergency release cord. This red cord disconnects the door from the automatic opener, allowing you to lift it by hand in case of emergencies or power outages. Step 3. Reset your garage door codes to deactivate the lost remote. Locate the Learn button on your opener unit, typically found under the light cover. Press this button to clear the opener's memory and prevent the lost remote from working. These immediate actions significantly reduce your security risk. By checking for backups, learning manual operation, and resetting your codes, you maintain control over garage access while preparing for remote replacement. After securing your garage, the next step is replacing your lost remote. You'll need to find a compatible replacement that matches your opener's specific frequency. Programming your new remote is straightforward. You'll need to locate the Learn button on your garage door opener unit, which is typically found under the light cover on the motor housing. For enhanced convenience, consider upgrading to a Keypad access system. These devices mount outside your garage and allow keyless entry using a personal identification number. If you forget your keypad code, you can reset it by accessing the motor unit and pressing the Reset or Learn button, similar to programming a remote. Modern smart garage door openers offer advanced features that go far beyond traditional remotes. These systems integrate with your smartphone and smart home devices for ultimate convenience. Popular apps like MyQ allow you to monitor and control your garage door from anywhere. You can see if your door is open, receive notifications, and even share access with family members. Voice control integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience. Simply say, "Alexa, open garage door," or "Hey Google, close the garage" for effortless control. These smart systems also provide real-time security alerts, letting you know if your garage door is left open or if there's any unusual activity. This combination of convenience and security makes smart garage door openers an excellent upgrade for any home.